Hello, it's Mama here. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to make a pair of biker shorts. This is probably the most easiest project I've ever done, so I hope you find it easy to follow along as well. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. You'll want to use a fabric that has a lot of stretch to it. Mine has a 4-way stretch, so it's pretty much stretchy all around. Looking back, it's kind of like a legging material. Speaking of which, a legging is the perfect base for this project. I folded mine right along the crotch, so it's slightly off balance. I'm going to tilt it just a little bit. To trace out the front, just fold your leggings towards the back, and then to trace out the back, just fold the leggings towards the front. Once you have your pattern, cut out 2 pieces, sew the crotch together. Now we can open up the pattern, match up the crotch and legs, and sew the inner leg. Cut a piece of elastic that fits comfortably around your waist. Sew the ends together. I also like to open up the seam and just sew it down with a zigzag stitch. I actually made my pattern a little bit too short at the waist area, so I'm just going to sew the elastic right on top of the waist. But first, we need to stabilize the fabric with a zigzag stitch. Stretch the elastic as necessary. Hem the bottom of the legs by folding them under twice and top stitching in place. That's all you have to do. Pretty easy, right? I hope you enjoyed, and for more information, you can always stop by the blog. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!